It's 11 a.m. currently, and I am done with my morning course. Actually, I am actually late. Yeah. So I've washed my hair, I've taken a bath, and I am all ready to study. I'm just making my coffee. Actually, from the last few days, I have not been able to study very productively in my room, so I decided to maybe go to the library and then study. And also, I had to take my admit card also from the college, so we'll be going to college after some time. Till then, we'll be studying in the room. दक्षा कैसा लग रहा है 10 रुपए का फाइन दे के
पूरे साल के
हैव यू वन दी
कार्ड रोक दिया
आर यू फीलिंग रिलीव्ड
यार
शो
जल्दी चल मैम
शो You guys, let me show you this. I got this small whiteboard paper which I'm using right here for all this bakwas things and all. These are the topics I have to do right now, and this is something I wrote to just learn, and yeah, all of this is that stuff, and this is what I have to do now. This thing is left for today. Hi everyone, literally one day left for my exam, and I don't know what is gonna happen to me, but I thought let's vlog. Right now I'm making some coffee with this Nescafe tea. And the worst part, is what? That it has been raining since like yesterday. और आज तो पूरे दिन ही बारिश हुई है. और what happens is जब इतना अच्छा मौसम होता है ना तो तुम नहीं पढ़ पाते हो. I am not able to study. I just want to look at the मौसम all the time. I just want to have coffee, tea. But I have to study. Okay. Exam, and I'm super sleepy right now. I actually slept at like 2:30 at night, and then I woke up at 8:30. I don't know how many hours it is, but yeah, and I have started studying again with this cup of coffee in my hand. And I have my exam at like 1, so I have like 3 hours to go, and I can still revise all of the stuff once again. And yeah, so I'm actually scared because the second exam is a bit tougher than the first one. My first exam was like okayish, and this is the second one, and I'm really hoping that it goes good. Pray for me.
So actually, I have my practical exam on like 29th and 30th, and then I'm going home. And actually, that is not as exciting as it is because I have to come back after 10 days because that is when my fourth year starts. And yeah, so fourth year is all about all the tough subjects like medicine, surgery, obs-gynae, and pediatrics, and ENT, OPTHAL. Oh my god. Okay, so and some light subjects also. Yeah, but I'm actually scared. I'm excited. I don't know. I should be scared, but I am excited for fourth year. Like, ऐसा नहीं है कि I have not studied those subjects before. We have been studying. We have been attending postings for those subjects like in second and third year as well. But I am really excited to study those subjects as my main subject in fourth year. I know that's not going to be easy, but I don't know. I'm excited. But before that is a long time. And
Okay, here comes my maths की किताब जो कि इंग्लिश में कहलाई जाती है बायोस्टैट्स, and I don't really like it, but I have to face it. So guys, let me tell you a story. Actually ना अभी when I was starting this vlog, तो I thought कि यार I don't have any content to show, क्या मैं दिखाऊंगी क्या, it is gonna be a very boring vlog, and it might be boring, but let me tell you a story. My roommate has a practical exam today, और वो मैडम अपनी FMT की जर्नल ले जाने ही भूल गई. कोई बात नहीं, नो इश्यूज़. उसने मुझे कॉल किया, उसने कहा कि यार तू ले आ, तो आई वॉज लाइक ठीक है मैं जाती हूँ. मैं यहाँ से सोच के कि मैं उसकी जर्नल ले जा रही हूँ, मैं निकली. आई वॉज हाफ वे टू द कॉलेज व्हेन आई रियलाइज कि मैं तो गलती से किसी और की जर्नल उठा रही हूँ, क्योंकि उसकी बेड पे 2 जर्नल रखी थी. और फिर मैं वापस आई, मैंने उसकी जर्नल उठाई, मैं वापस गई. एंड देन क्या हुआ है कि मेरी चप्पल टूट गई है. कैन यू इमेजिन? मतलब भगवान कितनी जल्दी मेरी सुनते हैं कि उन्होंने मेरे को इतना सारा कंटेंट दे दिया कि मेरी चप्पल भी टूट गई, मैं जर्नल भी भूल गई. गाइज लुक एट दिस गर्ल, उसका आज ही प्रैक्टिकल ख़त्म हुआ है और ये घर जा रही है अपनी दोनों रूममेट्स को अकेला छोड़ के. गेट आउट.
bye bye. See you later. Bye.
So guys, I have been studying forensic medicine for my practical, that is tomorrow, since like the whole day. So okay, I started studying for FMT. I studied all the, poisons and all the injuries and blah 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 blah. And I am so done with life right now because I'm so tired of all these poisons. They all look the same. They all have the same properties, and we have to differentiate. Oh my god, how can we do that? And it's like हजारों पॉइजन सफ़ेद कलर के ही दिखते हैं पाउडरी फॉर्म में, कैसे पहचानेगा इंसान? एंड टू दिस पॉइंट इन लाइफ आई हैव नेवर एवर टच्ड अ सिंगल ड्रग, एंड आई नो एवरी सिंगल ड्रग. लाइक हाउ? I like know the names, I like know the the symptoms, and oh my god, I'm so tired of it. I've not started packing, and now I have to anyhow. So guys, we are done with my first practical, which was of FMT, और जो कि बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं किया है. It was like okayish. Guys, I don't understand कि टीचर्स को कैसे पता चल जाता है कि तुम्हें कौन सी चीज़ नहीं आती है, क्योंकि मुझे तो सब कुछ आता था. 2 वाइवा होने थे and I knew actually everything जो भी लोगों से पूछा गया. But मेरे टाइम आते पता नहीं मुझसे ऐसे सवाल क्यों पूछ लेते जो मुझे नहीं आते.
वाइवा में मेरा हो गया, जो किसी से नहीं पूछेंगे वो सिर्फ मुझसे पूछेंगे.
ये बहुत गलत हो रहा है हमारे साथ,
बहुत ही ज़्यादा बुरा.
Last exam of third year is left and I am actually excited as well as nervous. I don't know ये क्या feeling है, but I am
You can look at my smile and tell कि I'm very excited for the third year to end and for fourth year to start, and because I'm going home also. But कल वाला पेपर सबसे ज़्यादा खतरनाक होने वाला है, and there are so many things to learn, to ratify and oh my god, मुझे नहीं पता. और जैसा मेरा आज का प्रैक्टिकल हुआ है उस हिसाब से तो मुझे लग रहा है कि ना भी पढ़ूंगी मैं अगर तो चली जाएगा. आई डोंट नो. So I'm all ready to go to the airport and catch a flight to my home, that is Delhi. And this is my suitcase. Okay, so I have worn this, and then I have taken this jacket with me because I feel very cold in the flight, and then I'm gonna look like this. I don't know if this matches or not, but yeah, this is the outfit. And it also has my name on it. You can see. Okay.